What if I told you that doing no exercise at all could be silently damaging your body and mind? No matter your age, regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The truth is, a sedentary lifestyle doesn't just make us feel sluggish. It increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even early cognitive decline. But here's the good news. You don't have to push your body to the limits or engage in high-impact workouts to stay fit. Today, we're exploring the best low-impact workouts that are perfect for people of all ages. Low-impact workouts are exercises that are gentle on your joints, making them suitable for everyone, from young adults to seniors. They provide all the benefits of staying active without the risk of injury often associated with high-impact exercises. So whether you're a beginner recovering from an injury or just looking for a way to stay active that's easy on your body, these exercises are a fantastic choice. Let's dive into some of the best low-impact workouts that you can start incorporating into your routine today, no matter your age or fitness level. 1. Walking. One of the simplest and most effective low-impact workouts is walking. It's accessible, free, and can be done almost anywhere. Walking helps improve cardiovascular health, strengthens bones, and boosts mood. Start with a brisk 20-minute walk around your neighborhood or local park. Make it a habit, and you'll soon see the benefits. 2. Swimming. Swimming is an excellent full-body workout that is incredibly gentle on the joints. It builds strength, endurance, and flexibility all at once. Plus, the resistance of the water makes every movement more effective, providing a great workout without any harsh impact. If you're not a strong swimmer, water aerobics or simply walking in the pool can offer similar benefits. 3. Cycling. Whether you're outdoors or using a stationary bike, cycling is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up without putting stress on your knees and hips. It's great for building lower body strength and improving cardiovascular fitness. Start with short rides and gradually increase your distance and intensity as your fitness level improves. 4. Yoga. Yoga isn't just about flexibility, it's also great for building strength, balance, and mindfulness. With a range of styles available, from gentle hatha to more dynamic vinyasa flows, there's a type of yoga that's perfect for everyone. Yoga can help reduce stress, improve mobility, and enhance overall well-being. 5. Pilates. Pilates focuses on core strength, flexibility, and overall body awareness. It's an excellent low-impact workout that can help improve posture, reduce back pain, and build a strong, balanced body. Pilates exercises can be easily modified to accommodate different fitness levels, making it suitable for everyone. 6. Tai Chi. This ancient Chinese martial art is often described as meditation in motion. Tai Chi is excellent for improving balance, flexibility, and mental focus. It's particularly beneficial for older adults as it helps prevent falls and enhances overall body awareness. Its slow, deliberate movements are easy on the joints and can be practiced by people of all ages. 7. Resistance. Band training. Resistance bands are a versatile and portable tool for strength training. They provide a low-impact way to build muscle strength, improve flexibility, and enhance joint stability. Whether you're targeting your arms, legs, or core, resistance bands allow you to perform a variety of exercises without putting undue stress on your body. So, what happens if we don't include any exercise in our daily routine? Our bodies start to decline. Muscle mass decreases, flexibility reduces, and we become more prone to chronic illnesses and even mental health issues. But incorporating these low-impact workouts into your routine can change the narrative. You can enjoy all the benefits of staying active without the risk of injury or excessive strain. Think about your current fitness routine or lack thereof. Is it time to try something new? What low-impact workout will you start incorporating today to take a step toward a healthier, more active lifestyle. Share in the comments, which of these low-impact workouts are you excited to try? Or do you have a favorite low-impact exercise that works well for you? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these tips. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for more weekly wellness inspiration and tips. Exercising is for everyone.